Welcome back to Cooking with Me. I'm me, and I hope that you are you. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for the overwhelming positive response I've received on my videos so far. I guess you could say I have a certain, I don't know what, a certain je ne sais quoi. The title of today's episode is The Stakes Have Never Been Higher. And I don't mean that the cow wandered into a marijuana patch. No, I'm calling it that because I'm going to show you how to make the perfect ribeye. Unless you want to argue that a reverse seared ribeye is better, which I won't argue with you. But I'm just talking about on the barbecue grill. And not only are we going to cook it perfectly on the barbecue grill, but we're going to make a garlic butter sauce and top the whole thing off with some grilled shrimp. Okay, first let's look at what we have here. We have 2 ribeyes. This one is cut at about 1 inch thick, and this one is thicker, about 1.5 inches. I prefer the 1.5 inches, but it will change how long you have to cook it for. Okay, and I've also got some shrimp that are peeled and deveined. And first thing we're gonna do is season everything. Okay, we're gonna do salt and pepper on everything. So I'm just gonna do a bunch of salt. Okay, now pepper. Okay, and pepper on the shrimp. Can you see the shrimp in this camera? No, you sure can't. Now you can. All right, then you flip the steaks and season the other side with salt and pepper. This is a workout. Okay, that's all the seasoning I'm gonna do for the steaks because we're doing the garlic butter sauce, and that's gonna be the main event. And for the shrimp, salt and pepper plus a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and I do a good squirt of lemon juice. You could also do lime. I don't have any lime juice with me, but lemon's good too. All right, so we stir up the shrimp. The steaks are ready. I have these metal kebabs. Oh. Okay, let's talk about this garlic butter sauce. You're never gonna guess what goes in it. It's garlic and butter. And you can buy minced garlic at the store. If I was smart, I would probably do that. But I'm using this technology. So you can mince about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and put it in a pan, okay? Here's 1 clove, here it goes. Ooh, there we go. All right. Oh no, clove number 2, bombs away. Then you're gonna wanna take a big chunk of butter. Kind of depends how many steaks you're doing, how many people you have, but that's about 1 tablespoon or 2 of butter, which will be plenty for me. And then you just cover that and put it on the stove on the lowest possible setting. So just pretend this is a stove. I know you all have active imaginations out there, and that should be done by the time your steaks are. As far as cooking the steaks, you're gonna wanna get the grill down to about 425 to 400 degrees, and then grill the 1.5 inch ribeye for 4 minutes per side. The 1 inch could be less, maybe like 3 per side. I don't know, you just gotta watch it. I don't grill the 1 inches too often. I normally go for the 1.5 inch. That's what she said. As far as the shrimp goes, and cook them for about the same amount of time as the ribeye. 4 minutes, then flip them, then another 4 minutes. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the garlic butter sauce. Da-na-da-da-na. Thank you for watching Cooking with Me. I've been me, and if you've been you, then you are exactly who you should be. Till next time.
Cooking with me, cooking with me, doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.